This is a demonstration of auscultation of the 4 heart valves. Using diaphragm of the stethoscope directly on the skin, locate the second intercostal space right of the sternum, which is the aortic valve.
In order to find that, you're going to palpate the clavicle. The first rib is directly beneath the clavicle. Then you're going to locate the first intercostal space, second rib, second intercostal space.
Locate the second intercostal space left of the sternum, which is the pulmonic valve.
I slid my hand across, but I'm going to verify the location by finding the clavicle on the left. The first rib is directly beneath that, then first intercostal space, second rib, second intercostal space.
Locate the fourth intercostal space left of the sternum, which is the tricuspid valve.
Third rib, third intercostal space, fourth rib, fourth intercostal space.
Palpate the point of maximal impulse, the PMI, located at the left fifth intercostal space midclavicular line.
Fifth rib, fifth intercostal space, midclavicular, the middle of the clavicle.
Auscultate at the PMI, which is also called the mitral valve.